Okay, this electron apartment building is going to be our quantum model of the atom. And we're going to liken that to the electron apartment building, okay? All right, now, remember we said first floor, second floor, on up. Okay, this apartment building can go to infinity, floor 1 to infinity. Okay, but by the 7th floor, we've run out of electrons. There just aren't any more elements that have more than that. And of the first 4 floors, that's where the majority of the electrons are. So we'll spend our time talking about the first 4. It does go to 7, and then it can go to infinity. We just haven't got there yet. So do you remember on the first floor, how many apartments did we say on the first floor? 1. Second floor? 2. Third floor? 4th floor? 5th floor? 5, and so on, right? Now, do you remember what those apartments were? On the first floor, what was the apartment called? S. Second floor? S and P. Very good. Third floor has S, P, D. And the 4th floor, S, P, D, F. Let's just do the 5th floor for fun. What would that be? S, P, D, F, G. Oh, you guys are so awesome. Very good. Now, do you remember when we're looking for apartments, you talked about, cost and space. Well, what's the difference between those apartments? Well, the S apartment is very small. It's a little bitty apartment. It's only got 1 bedroom. Okay, the P apartment is going to be a little bit more expensive because it's bigger. And it's got 3 bedrooms. Okay, now, what do we say? S, P, and then D. Well, what about the D apartment? Well, it's even bigger still. And it's going to have 5 bedrooms. Okay, now we're getting pretty big. 5 bedrooms. Woo! All right, and then the F apartment. Wow, that's a penthouse. Exactly. That's got 7 rooms. You should see the theater room in that place. Oh, it's amazing. All right, so now, where do we usually find penthouses? Is that on the first floor? No, it's on the top floor. Oh, so where do you find the F apartment? Which floor do you find that? The 4th floor, right? Because it's not on the first floor. It's not on the 2nd. It's not on the 3rd. When we get to F, it's going to be on the 4th floor. That would make sense, right? Penthouse, higher up. Okay, so if I were to walk down the hallway on the first floor, you know how you have a door, and on the door is the apartment number? So it's the first floor, and there's only 1 apartment. You already told me that was the S apartment, right? So on that door is going to be apartment 1S. Okay, so if you open that door to apartment 1S, there's going to be 1 bedroom in there. All right, so that's the first floor. So let's run up to the 2nd floor. Go up the stairs. Okay, going down the hallway on the 2nd floor, what apartment numbers can I knock on? This is the 2nd floor, so this is 2S, right? 2S, and then I'm going to walk down the hall, and I'm going to hit 2P. And if I were to open that door into 2P, how many bedrooms would you see? 3 bedrooms, right, exactly. Okay, well, let's run up to the 3rd floor. Now let's knock on the door. What's the first door I'm going to knock on? 3S. Okay, 3S, very good. And then 3P, and then 3D. And if I open the 3D door, how many bedrooms am I going to see in there? 5. Remember, D has 5. Right? Does everybody remember that? D has 5. Okay, so I'm going to run up to the next floor. And this is the 4th floor. So the first apartment door I'm going to knock on would be 4S, then 4P, 4D, 4F. Exactly. Okay, and if you open the F apartment up, how many bedrooms? Wow, 7. This is like penthouse, right? Woo, it's really luxurious in there. Okay, that is the quantum model. That's where all the electrons go, and that's where they go. Now, in each bedroom, we can put 2 electrons max, and that's how the electrons are arranged in an atom. There's the model. Done. Everybody make sense? Everybody got that? Okay, awesome.